Now let's solve question number 77. So here this question states choose the odd figure out of the following options. So you can solve this question. So first you can see that here we have the options figure. So start with the very first option. We can see that here we have two shaded sectors lying opposite to each other like this. Clear? And here the larger shaded region is lying between the two opposite shaded sectors. So we can see that when you join the shaded region, they are forming T-like structure. So you can see that in the second option we are getting the same pattern, T-like structure. In the third option we can see that here the shaded sectors are adjacent to each other, not opposite to each other. So that means you can say this pattern is different from the previous two patterns. Now let's check the fourth option. Here we can see that in fourth option we have the two opposite sectors and the shaded region is lying between the two opposite shaded sectors. That means similar like the option number 1 and 2. So here we are finding the third option is different from the remaining three. So that's why this one is odd one out from the given options. So the answer for this question is option number 3. Now let's discuss next question. Now let's solve question number 78. So this question says which of the following figure is embedded in the given figure X. So we have a given figure X and we have to check which of the given option figure is a part of this given figure X. So let's check the option. Start with the very first option. We can see that here in the first option this part, or you can say this curved line, is extra as compared to the given figure X. Let's check the second option. We can see that here all curved lines inside this circle is a part of this figure X. So that means you can see this may be the correct option, but we have to check the third and fourth option also. So in the third option we can see that here this line is extra, so this is not correct. In fourth option we can see that here this part is extra. That means clearly we can say here the second option is the correct answer for this given question. So the answer for this question is option number 2. So I hope you understood this question. Now let's move forward to the next question. Now let's solve question number 79. This question states study the given number sequence and count how many prime number digits are immediately preceded and immediately followed by an odd digit. So we have a particular pattern. So we have to find the numbers which is prime number and must be followed by and preceded by odd number. So let's solve this question. So we are starting with this number 5. You can see that this 5 is a prime number preceded by and followed by odd numbers. Further we can see this number 7 is a prime number preceded by 9, which is an odd number, and further followed by 3, which is also an odd number. Clear? The next prime number is 2. 3 is also prime number, but this is followed by an even number, so we will not take this number 3. Further we have 2, which is preceded by this odd number 3 and followed by odd number 9. So this is also one of the possibilities. Further we can see that this number 5 is a prime number preceded by 5, odd, and followed by an odd number. Clear? And further we can take 2, which is a prime number preceded by 7, odd number, followed by 3, odd number. Clear? And the last one is the number 5, because this 5 is a prime number preceded by and followed by odd number. So we have total 6 correct possibilities. 6 numbers are there in this group, so which are prime as well as preceded and followed by odd numbers. So here the answer for this question is option number 3. So the answer for this question is option number 3. So I hope you understood this question. Now let's move forward to the question number 80.